In this video, you will learn how to create a pop-up in Webflow. Open your project in the Webflow designer, go to the page where you want the pop-up, add a div block of the pop-up. From the add panel, drag a divide block on the canvas. This will be a pop-up container. Design the pop-up, style the block with a background colour, usually semi-transparent black, and then add a context inside, such as text, images or buttons. Set up pop-ups to hide initially. With the block, go to Style panel and select its display to none, so it's hidden by default. Add a button to trigger the pop-up. Place a button on your page that users can click to open the pop-up. Create an interaction. Select the button and go to the interaction panel and click Add Interaction. This will change the pop-up block display to flex to make it visible. Add the close block. Inside the pop-up, add a close block to set an interaction to hide the pop-up again when the button is re-clicked. Test your pop-up. Preview your site and test the pop-up open and close functionality to make sure it works correctly. Now you know how to create a pop-up in Webflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.